my channel. I am back with another fun video for you guys. If you guys haven't seen from the title already, you guys already know what I'm doing with my video today. But if you are new to my channel, hello. I'm Isabella. If you are a old subscriber of me, hello as well. Or just like a new viewer, hello. But as long as we're here today, I just want to say I know I haven't been doing any videos for you guys for a while now. I have been busy with work and family, so I just want to say I do apologize for that, you guys. But let's get on with it, you guys. So I'm gonna be unboxing my Rhode package, you guys. I recently just ordered something from Rhode recently, you guys, and I'm just gonna show you this top part only because my address is on the back of this. So I got my package today, so I'm gonna unbox it for you guys. I haven't opened it yet, so oh my gosh. Oh, look at Hailey Bieber. Look how beautiful she is, you guys. And then she got her little message right here just saying thank you right here. And then here's my package, you guys. So this is what I ordered, you guys. I got some freebie stickers. They were kind of like giving out some freebie stickers. These are so cute, you guys. Some freebie like little jelly stickers that has Rhode on it. It has like a little martini right here. And it says Rhode Summer. These stickers are really cute. And then I'm so excited for these, you guys. Okay, so I ordered the peptide lip tint here. The color is Ribbon, you guys. I'm gonna be testing these out on the screen for you guys, so because I have no makeup on right now. So I'm gonna test out my Ribbon peptide lip tint right here in Ribbon. I was gonna get Toasted, but I've been eyeing this shade right here, you guys. I had the peptide one, the treatment one, but I don't have the lip tint one, you guys. So I'm gonna try out this one on screen for you guys. Ooh, the color is really pretty, you guys. Is Ribbon, you guys. I think it's really pretty and I like it, you guys. I was really excited for this one, you guys. This is the Highlighting Milk Luminizer from Rhode right here. This is the shade 02, I believe. Yeah, shade 02. And I think this one was really pretty for my skin tone because I was eyeing it before, but it was like one of the newest product from Rhode, you guys, that I was eyeing before. So I can't wait to use this, but I'm gonna try it on my skin so you guys can see it. I guess this is what it looks like on the applicator, you guys, but I'm gonna put a little bit on my skin just to kind of see what it looks like on my skin. Ooh, it has like a nice sheen to my skin, you guys. If you could tell, it has like a nice like sheen to my skin. It's pretty. It's very natural, you guys. Like, it's not very like harsh compared to like my other side to this side. It's like very nice. Like it gives you like a nice natural glow, but it's not doing too much. You guys get playing. I'm gonna put a little bit on the other side. Ooh, it's like a nice sheen, like very natural glow to your skin. I like it. Very nice, you guys. I like the feeling of it too. It's not doing too much on the skin, but it gives like a nice like glow to your skin, you guys, which is really nice. Okay. Overall, you guys, it gives like a nice like sheen to your skin without doing too much. So I think it's very natural. I like it. I think I'm probably gonna be using this a lot during the summertime. And just like, you know, like you could top it off with your foundation or your tinted moisturizer too, but I think it's really pretty, you guys. That is all the products, you guys, that I order. I hope that you guys did enjoy this little review video of my unboxing of my Rhode products, you guys. So thank you for watching my video, and I know this video was kind of short, you guys, but I hope that in my next video it's a little longer for you guys too, but I know I've been busy, so I haven't really been able to do any videos for you guys. But I hope I can be able to get back on track with doing videos again for you guys. So I just say thank you for just supporting my channel, and thank you for watching this video, guys.